guys, welcome to day 8. As you can see, just such a beautiful view. Hairlines in this clothes. She's been trying to wash it like 3 times and dry it out. And on the day that she's, you know, just Mother Nature wants to bless her. Mother Nature said no. So
Oh, they were dry too.
they were dry.
Oh, now see?
Yeah, so now her clothes is gonna stink for the 3rd time.
Are you vlogging that?
What are you doing, Lena?
So I'm trying to get some material so I can go back to Oz and make me a dress. Because sometimes it's too expensive to like buy a dress from Mara. But you know, support locals.
And the girl's getting their fabric. It's like the Cook Islands version of Spotlight in Australia. What are these for here?
These 2 are for my mom. This for me. And it's to make collarbons.
Ooh. It's Emma's.
Guys, this is my dress.
What is it for?
For me. It's a nice church dress I can wear back home. So yeah, and the blue reminds me of Aitutaki.
Oh.
So yeah. Sorry to stop.
This song's so fitting for this girl. Oui.
Yeah, Moki.
Yeah, Moki.
Yeah, moke.
Now, real test. What's their baka name?
No, she's been getting me
Manava.
whole trip. I'm sick of her. Okay.
Guys, just FYI,
Ooh.
sucks that everything closes early, but I'm glad that my people are spiritual people.
So the reason she's saying that is because everything closes on Saturday. Everything closes around 12 p.m. so that people can get ready for the Sabbath, which is cool. I don't think Sam with us there. That's probably why the tsunami didn't hit here. They have so much faith here.
God-fearing people.
God-fearing people in the Cook Islands.
Oh.
Are mainly
Okay.
members of the CITC church.
Yeah, Cook Islands Christian Church, the original church that started in the islands before during colonization. Yeah. Notice that my accent changes every time I'm here.
When she talks to her family, she has this island twang in her.
I keep forgetting.
No.
Because every time I speak like normal English, they're like, huh?
Yeah, they don't understand the.
And then I say, what do you mean? You don't understand what I'm saying.
You have to
That's
speak
hard.
their English. You have to speak their English. Okay guys, we're here at the markets and we're gonna see what we can get for our families and friends. But we don't know what the girls went, so
What happens when they don't wait for me?
this is why I always go with her. I'm going with the local, you know, I don't want to get lost.
Punanga Nui Markets.
Lily Island fashion. They're about $200 a size 18. Oh, I like this skirt. Ooh.
I can see you wearing this.
Actually, the blue one.
This is actually cheap.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can come back and get
What's your
this.
size, mate?
Yeah. I don't want to get it yet. I'll hide it away if I want it. I'll hide it away and get it after. But this is what I would actually get.
And the dress you like.
Already? Like, we're already like, what, 5 minutes in? Usually it would take me a while.
Ooh.
Free engraving.
Oh, free name.
Oh yeah, I came here to get some. Might get my sister some.
Oh, my brother wouldn't mind.
free engravings.
What one do
Their
you
names on
want?
it.
This is cool. He always wears black. I don't know which one. I'm getting mine engraved. So it's gonna have his name on it. $20 for pearl engraving. Yeah, we're gonna take someone to come. Look at those.
How much? I need to see what goes nice with Layla and Mika. Oh, even this way.
I think maybe not as bulky.
Because they've got the artificial under here.
Yeah. I reckon keep it to like a simple white. Like the beads. What do you say?
Father's Day. Like, one thing I really love about our people is we're all about the community. So you always see like mamas sitting together, just yapping away.
Some nice
Karipi, the oil, we use it for like sores and like all cuts and bruises. We use the karipi, it's the coconut oil. You can hear them playing.
Yeah. Wow. But I also want,
Should get a mix.
yeah, I want a mixed one. But like, I like the colors that you had for the girls.
Ooh.
It's big, eh?
Mm.
Look at that.
It's another size.
These are adult A's.
Try that one.
Yeah, hey.
That one.
Okay. Oh, that's so good
So
here.
good.
Oh my gosh. We just entered the food court. Let me show you around. We've got the barbecue going.
Smell.
Meals.
Fried bread, seafood chowder.
Oh, yum. Wait, they were at the Te Maeva Nui. That's so good. Wow, some children's books.
Kia ora, Anna.
Oh, yes, please. The author.
Yeah, that's me, Charles.
Oh, hi.
Nice.
That's so
Yes, I'm
good.
learning my language. I'm plastic.
Where you guys from?
Brisbane.
Brisbane, Australia. Yeah.
Oh, that's so
Holiday?
good. Yeah.
Visiting family. Guys, I met the author.
I'm retired, so this is my new hobby.
Oh.
Yeah, I used to be director of our national emergency.
Yeah, yeah.
I did some research on our traditional knowledge and how we can incorporate that into modern science and modern technology.
Yeah.
We developed some teachers' resource kit for the school. I thought I'd better put it down in writing so we can put it in schools for generations.
Oh, I love that. What would be your advice for people who are trying to learn the leo?
Well, that's why we did it in English and in a Māori as well. I know, I mean, for me, I'm a fluent speaker in Māori.
Yeah.
But when you're reading Māori, it's quite different. It's quite cool.
Yeah.
But it's a good way of learning Māori. I think it's better to learn the proper way of speaking
Yeah.
the language. So the Māori language in the books is written that way. You're learning how to speak the proper way of speaking the words as well.
Oh, I love that. Well, thank you for that. Thank you for sharing your talents with us. Let's go see some fire and hide dances for a little bit. Just for you guys. Oh, and there's Mango Bango.
Your fire dancers, one last performance. Here we go. One last time, we are feeling our youngest member, only 9. Let's give it up for Saya. 20, ladies and gentlemen. Only 10. Let's give it up for PJ Teka. And our 2 young warriors. Let's give it up for Keanu, 16. And MJ, 15. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Guys, it was so good. They're preparing for the firework dance in Hawaii. Mango and purple. Guys, I got my mango bango fix. Purple is ube and then mango. Guys, we finished at the markets. I ended up getting some mango bango. This is ube flavor. This is mango. Tish store?
Yeah.
This is
She covers a few. Any CITC, she covers it.
because she's a manager, eh?
Yeah. Manchester, time management, and security. But it's all
What? Oh, you got all your saves.
Yeah, everything I'll show you. So this is for my family, and actually for some of my workmates.
Oh,
So, yes.
how nice.
I know.
Okay, now I'm looking at saves. I finished my shopping before everyone. I only came in to get my Nui oils. I got a few packets of these. Quite expensive, but the best kind of island oil that you want to take back home. And so I'm coming in here. I'm gonna hold out and eat my mango bango. First we have ube. Let's try. I'm being a real holdout. And then now I have the mango. Ugh. God, without spill it. Oh yeah. So you put this well.
Is it good?
It's so good. Do you want to taste it? Yeah, I've got a spare spoon.
Okay.
Try the mango. That's mine. Not me being holed out. Have you had it before?
Yeah.
Have you had ube?
No, I've never had ube before.
That's stronger in flavor.
Mm.
Oh, you could have this one if you want. I'm done. So yeah, now we're.
I'm good.
There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose.
And we're shopping. I should have recorded the part where Lena was telling me off.
Yeah. This girl reckons, no, it fits me. And it's like sagging at the back.
Yeah,
I was like, girl.
because I know I'm gonna you know, grow into it.
And she's on a weight loss journey. I can't even. I was like, she's like, yeah, it fits. I wish I recorded.
I wish I did too.
Ah, wait, Papa.
Okay, but yeah, fam, we are now heading to Villi's, which is the best burger place in town, I think. Because I haven't tried everything yet, but what I've had so far is Villi's.
Yeah.
Because it's Reka has hair, like to say it. Reka Takai. But yeah, and I also got my new fresh pearls.
Period. And it looks so good.
I love it. I love how you know what it makes it like, oh, I'm gonna get some, you know,
White pearls.
out, guys.
Black pearls is where it's at, guys.
But also I'm trying to get all our island girls to be on it, you know. Leave the white pearls behind, get your black pearls. They're from our moana, okay? Straight from our moana.
Straight from our seas. Straight from the Moana Nui Markets. What do you call it?
Sami? Like ocean?
No, so Maoris call it Te Moana Nui Okiwa, like the grey ocean, the ocean of the sea, the Pacific. What do you have a name for it?
I don't know it.
Ah, okay. Because in Cook Islands, it's Te Moana Nui Akiwa.
Comment below if you know the Samoan.
If you know the Samoan,
description of the moana.
Yeah.
I think we are moana too, but I just don't know
The longer name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
for lunch. Aftermarkets. This is what we got. We're back at Villi's. And I got my kiwi burger. Let's see how this goes. Thank you, Da. They're so smiley, I love it. Oh, it's another. Oh, we got 2 lights this time.
Thank you.
It's weird. Oh, Locks, one of an airplane. Wow. Kia ora everyone. We're at the last night of the Te Maeva Nui cultural performances. Let's go. Come with us as we secretly record inside. Just kidding. I might get in trouble. We're back for another video. The intermission. How has it been so far? How has the night, the lineup been?
It's been really good.
A little bit slow at the start, eh?
A bit slow, I'm not gonna lie. I may have fell asleep.
And I caught you. I was like trying to talk to you so you could keep awake. But yeah, Rakcity has brought the hype again.
They've done so well.
Yeah.
Like,
So good.
I've been following their journey online as well, so to see them like perform their last, I'm so proud of them. Yeah,
They did so
they
well.
did really well, really well.
But we're at Intermission, we're getting our snack. You have your steamed pudding and custard.
Yeah.
And I got my seafood chowder and fried bread.
So we're feeling.
Yeah, we're gonna have our food standing up because there's no seats around. Yeah, we'll see. We'll wait for the girls, but we're just gonna eat away.
We'll see you soon.
Yeah, tell him. Fine, we'll tell him. Lena, I have your tickets. Come.
What's his name?
Yeah, see, he comes up. Great. Yay!
So for tonight, I was gonna go Aitutaki. I'm from Aitutaki and Tupapa.
I'm from
Yeah.
what village?
Everyone always say they're from Aitutaki. Aitutaki is like one of the most. You know? Have you been there?
We were today.
Did you guys went for the tour?
Yeah.
The one-day tour? No. Oh, you actually went there and stayed? Oh, no. But did you guys go out to the Mutu? Like, you know, the different, like...
It's the lagoon cruise.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, so you got to see it.
Yeah. Oh, man. Nothing like Aitutaki, man. Love Raro, but we'll just
Love
Aitutaki.
Yeah. The good thing about Raro, I think the good thing about Raro it has everything. Like it has all the restaurants and all that. But yeah, I just think it has the lagoon, you know, and it's quite quiet.
Yeah.
And then there's the other outer islands still like uninhabited, so it's really good to go there as well. So I'll book and
Wow, you guys must be related.
yeah, we're cousins.
Shut away, cousins.
Yeah. guys. Are you guys getting the ticket?
Yes.
Lucky for some.
One of the famous guy.
Who's the friend that you guys don't like? You guys just stick out. Kicking out one friend, I thought you guys would laugh. But no one laughed. It was only a joke. Okay, we're being positive too.
Oh hell, we take her ticket.
So take care, girls.
See ya. Thank you.
Closing the evening with that fantastic, amazing drum dance and the costumes. Look at the costumes. Oh my God. Well done, Tupapa. Well done. That was just awesome. The drummers, the costuming, the dancers, your strength and your energy, stamina in the presentation tonight. Well done,
everyone's
Tupapa. Ladies and gentlemen, that
everyone's
comes
leaving
to
before
the
the break.
conclusion of our evening tonight and the 7 nights of...